To troubleshoot a Santander mortgage application, start by checking the application status online or through the Santander mobile app. If the application is delayed or declined, review the application form for any errors or missing information. Ensure all required documents, such as proof of income and identification, are submitted and up to date. Next, verify the credit report and score, as a low credit score or adverse credit history may affect the application. Check for any errors on the credit report and work on improving the credit score if necessary. It is also essential to review the affordability assessment, ensuring the income and expenditure details are accurate and up to date. Contact Santander customer service to discuss the application and any issues that may have arisen. Be prepared to provide additional information or documentation to support the application. It is crucial to understand the lender's criteria and requirements, and to ensure the application meets these standards. In some cases, the application may be declined due to the loan-to-value ratio or the property valuation. Check the property valuation report and ensure the loan amount is within the acceptable loan-to-value ratio. If the application is declined, consider seeking advice from a mortgage broker or financial advisor to explore alternative options. Throughout the troubleshooting process, keep detailed records of all correspondence and interactions with Santander. This will help track progress and provide a clear understanding of the application status. By following these steps and providing accurate and complete information, it is possible to successfully troubleshoot a Santander mortgage application and increase the chances of a successful outcome.